Hey there, did you know that the first computer was invented in the 1940s? Crazy, right? It's wild to think about how far we've come since then. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super important for all you computer science newbies out there: basic computer questions. These questions are like the building blocks of understanding how computers work, and trust me, knowing the answers can really help you on your learning journey. Alright, let's get into it. Here are 11 basic computer questions that every beginner should know. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that processes data, performing tasks according to a set of instructions called programs. A computer is an electronic device that processes data and performs tasks according to a set of instructions, typically provided by a program or software. It operates by executing logical and arithmetic operations to manipulate data. What are the main components of a computer? The main components include the CPU memory, storage, input devices, and output devices. Central Processing Unit (CPU), often called the brain of the computer, it handles most of the data processing by executing instructions from programs. Memory, RAM, random access memory, temporarily stores data that the CPU uses while performing tasks. It is fast, but loses information when the power is off. Storage. This refers to devices like hard drives or solid-state drives (SSD), where data is permanently stored, including the operating system, programs, and files. Input devices. Tools like keyboards, mice, or touchscreens allow users to interact with the computer. Output devices. Components such as monitors or printers that display or produce the results of the computer's operations. What is hardware? Hardware refers to the physical components of a computer, like the keyboard, mouse, and internal parts, like the motherboard. A computer keyboard is a peripheral device used to input text, numbers, and commands into a computer. It consists of a set of keys arranged in a particular layout, with each key representing a specific character, function, or action. A computer mouse is a handheld pointing device used to interact with the computer's graphical user interface, GUI. It allows users to move a cursor or pointer on the screen and perform tasks such as selecting, dragging, and dropping items, clicking on buttons, and opening files or programs. A computer motherboard is the main circuit board inside a computer, serving as the backbone that connects all the essential components. It's responsible for coordinating communication between the CPU, Central Processing Unit, RAM, random access memory, storage devices, and peripheral components. What is software? Software is a collection of instructions and data that tells the hardware what to do. It includes operating systems and applications. What is an operating system? The operating system is the software that manages the computer hardware and provides services for computer programs. It acts as an intermediary between users and the computer hardware. What is the Internet? The Internet is a global network of interconnected computers that communicate with each other. It allows devices worldwide to exchange data, access information, and use services like the web, email, and streaming. Essentially, it's a massive infrastructure that connects billions of devices, enabling communication, information sharing, and the operation of countless applications. What is a web browser? A web browser is a software application used to access information on the Internet. It retrieves information from web servers and displays the content to users. Popular web browsers include Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Apple Safari, Opera. What is a URL? A URL, or Uniform Resource Locator, is the address used to access a resource on the Internet. For example, in the URL https://www. https:// is the protocol. www.example.com is the domain name. What is a file? A file is a digital document that is stored on a computer, which can contain text, images, or other data. What is a folder? A folder is a virtual container used to organize files on a computer. What is a motherboard? The motherboard is the main circuit board of a computer, connecting all the components. A computer motherboard is the main circuit board inside a computer, serving as the backbone that connects all the essential components. It's responsible for coordinating communication between the CPU, central processing unit, RAM, random access memory, storage devices, and peripheral components. Now here's a fun fact that might just blow your mind. Did you know that the first computer programmer was a woman named Ada Lovelace? She created the first algorithm intended for implementation on Charles Babbage's early mechanical general-purpose computer. This just goes to show that the world of computers has always been shaped by brilliant minds, regardless of gender. So there you have it, 11 basic computer questions that every beginner should know. Understanding these concepts is crucial for anyone looking to get into computer science, or even just to use technology more effectively in everyday life. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below with your favorite question or any additional ones you might have. And hey, don't forget to check out my other videos for more in-depth dives into the world of computer science. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.